Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Citroën C5 Aircross, a bold step forward for the French automaker in the compact SUV segment. If you're looking for something that blends style, comfort, and innovation with European flair, this might just be the one for you. Let's kick things off with the exterior. Right off the bat, the 2026 C5 Aircross strikes a more mature and modern tone compared to its predecessor. Citroën has refined the front fascia with slimmer LED headlights and a more sculpted grille, giving the SUV a confident yet elegant look. The signature chevrons now blend into a chrome strip that flows into the lights, emphasizing width. Around the sides, you'll notice more aerodynamic lines, fresh alloy wheel designs up to 19 inches, and subtle black cladding that adds a rugged edge without going over the top. The rear has also received a refresh with redesigned 3D LED taillights and a cleaner bumper that wraps up the overall design with sophistication. Now stepping inside, the interior is where Citroën has made perhaps the biggest strides. The cabin has been overhauled with improved materials, better ergonomics, and a focus on comfort that's truly class-leading. The seats are upholstered in Citroën's advanced comfort foam padding, offering plush support even on long drives. You'll also find a new 12-inch fully digital instrument cluster paired with a crisp 10-inch central infotainment display that now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The layout is intuitive, with physical controls for key functions, something many will appreciate. Storage is generous and the center console feels more premium, now featuring sliding armrests and customizable ambient lighting. Rear seat passengers get plenty of legroom and 3 individually adjustable seats, a rare treat in this segment. Boot space is also impressive, starting at around 580 liters and going up to over 1,600 liters with the seats folded. When it comes to performance, the 2026 C5 Aircross offers a range of updated powertrains. In Europe, buyers can choose between a 1.2-liter PureTech turbocharged petrol engine, a 1.5-liter Blue HDI diesel, and the more compelling plug-in hybrid variant. The PHEV model combines a 1.6-liter petrol engine with an electric motor to produce around 225 horsepower, offering smooth acceleration and a pure electric range of up to 60 kilometers, ideal for urban commutes. Citroën has also tweaked the suspension, still featuring its progressive hydraulic cushions that absorb bumps effortlessly, making for one of the smoothest rides in its class. Handling is easy and confidence-inspiring, although it's not a car meant for aggressive cornering. This SUV prioritizes comfort and calmness, and it does so exceptionally well. Pricing varies by market, but in Europe, expect starting prices around €31,000 for the base petrol model, going up to approximately €44,000 for the fully equipped plug-in hybrid. Given the technology, space, and ride quality you're getting, it's a competitive package. So, whether you're a city commuter or a family road tripper, the 2026 Citroën C5 Aircross blends French flair with modern utility in a way that few others do. Let us know in the comments what you think. Would you choose the C5 Aircross over rivals like the Hyundai Tucson or the Peugeot 3008? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more detailed car reviews coming your way every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.